Well, we're finally RTR bound. We just crossed over into the Oklahoma Panhandle, and this is a sign that is, well, actually it's at each entrance of the Panhandle. I think the Panhandle is only 40 miles wide. It's not much. Anyway, if you want to read about it, this is called No Man's Land. I don't know if I can get it clear enough that you can read. Probably not. It just talks about the parallel and between the states of Colorado, Texas, and Kansas. And I guess since everybody else does, I will too, but to us, this is no big deal. Welcome to Oklahoma. We're going to cut across the Panhandle for a ways and then head down, kind of angle across Oklahoma Panhandle, New Mexico, and catch I-40 for a while. Apparently there's a big storm heading this way, and we're going to try to get as far as we can and before we go south. Talk to you later. Well, guys, letting you know we're crossing into another state. Welcome to Texas. The name of this little town is Texoma. Texas-Oklahoma line. I told you wrong. I looked it up, and the Oklahoma Panhandle is 34 miles wide, and I believe it said 160 miles long. And we're, like I said, we're angling through. We'll next go through New Mexico. I'm not sure how long we're here in Texas. Hey guys, we're in far west Texas Panhandle right now. We're following Highway 54, and that's a pretty common highway, and has been for years and years that people travel. I know people from the eastern United States said they would take Highway 54 to Vegas, basically back in the 60s. Anyway, we stopped at this little roadside park. Hate to say it, not much to brag about, but I suppose if you needed a night to stay, you could probably pull in here. There's no signs. It's pretty trashy. Sad to say. Right up there's a railroad track, and there's 54. And there sits Hoke and Daisy. And here comes the old farmer. He wants to, we stopped for a quick sandwich, and we want to get back on the road. So, just catching you up where we are. Hey guys, we just entered Mountain Time, and welcome to New Mexico. I will tell you one thing we learned. Gas is, I don't know, 10, 20 cents a gallon higher in New Mexico than Texas. And like a dummy, I didn't learn that until we were past the last gas station in Texas. Anyway, we're trucking along. We're going to go as far as we can before we run into the predicted storm, or at least the area where it's supposed to be the worst. Like I said, basically just wind. Hi guys, we're here in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Made it this far. We decided we better pull off kind of early. Didn't want to be setting up in the dark. Tomorrow is supposed to be really bad. We were aware of the windstorm coming, so that was our arrangements, is we'd pull over somewhere. And we've decided, after talking to the owner of this little RV park that we're in, that we will go ahead and stay for 2 nights. It's supposed to come in about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning and be done by 11 o'clock tomorrow night. And it's no sense taking chances and driving in the wind and flipping an RV. So it's kind of nice here. Reminds me a lot of back home. I mean, as far as the cactus and the layout, but we don't have all the beautiful hills. The old farmer said that, gosh, I guess I'll have to tell you who it is tomorrow, but some famous outlaw, cowboy, somebody is buried not too far from here, and he'd like to go do that. So there's things for us to do tomorrow. I'll show you back behind me. I think there's probably only about 10 RVs here right now, which is a-okay with us. We like it real quiet. We're on the edge of town. Sun's just getting ready to go down. So I thought I would take a walk. They've asked that we unhook our water and drain our hoses and make sure that the hydrants shut off due to the possibly freezing temperatures tonight. He's had quite a problem with some of his people leaving water on and freezing up hydrants. We've dug out a few hydrants ourselves at home, and let me tell you, it's not fun. So anyway, I just wanted to check in for the night, let you know that we're going to be another day late to the RTR, but that's okay. We'll enjoy the trip while we can. We're coming in on I-40 right now, and at some point we'll drop down to I-10. Haven't decided yet. We're just going to watch the weather and take our time. Interstate is not the way we usually like to travel, but since we are a week and a half late getting away, we're going to boogity-boog on out to Quartzite, and then back on the way home here in 2 or 3 months, we'll take our time and see more of the sights. So y'all have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, bye-bye. I'm just going to step in for a few minutes and share with you. This is really a pretty nice little setup here. There's nobody's in the bathroom, so I thought now would be a good time. I wanted to check it out before we came over and took showers. But there's 3 shower stalls, are very clean, 4 sinks, electricity. They all have mirrors. And looks like 3 stalls for the restrooms. It's nice and warm in here and bright. Very clean, very clean. I'm impressed. Sometimes these RV parks, we've stayed in a few that I didn't even want to get in the shower with my flip-flops on. But this one looks really nice. So just wanted to, the name of this place, by the way, is Santa Rosa RV Park. So I think it's family owned and a small park. All right, talk to you later.